Now, you know you've reached adulthood when you're excited about a goddamn refrigerator, but let's get into it. I don't know the model number and all that, but baby, this is an LG smart refrigerator, whatever you want to call it. We definitely needed a new refrigerator because one, it was way too goddamn small, and two, that thing was just crusty, dusty, musty when we bought the house. Like, it just wasn't giving. The old refrigerator also started leaking, so baby, that thing had to go. It makes 3 different ice, Cube Crush, and this craft ice. Packaging on this refrigerator was crazy. I was falling down, everything, trying to get all this tape and stuff off. Like, I needed some assistance because I was just struggling. It was just too much tape, too much going on. Now, I know it's a new refrigerator and all, and it was packaged real good, but baby, I'm gonna still wash every part because you never know. You never know what this refrigerator been through. So baby, we're gonna disinfect it up. We're gonna clean it up, okay? After the hurricane, we had to throw a lot of food away, but this is how the old refrigerator looked. It looked busted, crusted, dust. But I am super blessed for the new one. Thank you, Jesus.